upgrading your home on a budget. Here are 15 smart home and bathroom essentials that save space, add style, and make everyday life easier. All links are in the description. Let's begin. First on our list is the ChooChoo bathroom wall cabinet. It mounts right on the wall to save floor space, gives you hidden storage for toiletries, and adds a clean, modern look to any bathroom. Perfect for small spaces, and yes, the link is in the description. Next up is the Luseba underbed storage bins, 2-pack. These are perfect for storing clothes, blankets, or shoes while keeping everything dust-free and out of sight. A smart solution for small bedrooms. Next is the Royal Windsor round Ottoman storage set. You get stylish seating plus hidden storage, perfect for blankets, pillows, or everyday clutter. Functional, elegant, and great for any living space. Link in the description. Next on our list is the Stackable closet storage basket. It's designed to help you maximize vertical space, making it perfect for closets, pantries, or laundry rooms. The open wire design lets you see everything at a glance, and because it's stackable, you can customize your storage exactly the way you want. A simple but super effective organization upgrade. Next is the MOPMS toothbrush holder set. It keeps your bathroom counter clean and organized and adds a modern touch. Link in the description. Next up is the dbest Products Folding GoCart. This lightweight cart is perfect for grocery runs, laundry, or hauling everyday items without strain. It folds flat for easy storage, rolls smoothly, and makes carrying heavy bags much easier. A practical helper for daily life. Next up is the Mkono woven storage basket. It's perfect for storing blankets, towels, toys, or laundry while adding a natural, cozy look to your space. The sturdy woven design makes it both decorative and functional, fitting easily into bedrooms, bathrooms, or living rooms. A stylish way to stay organized. Next is the VASAGLE ladder shelf. This shelf is great for vertical storage, giving you multiple tiers to display decor, plants, books, or bathroom essentials. Its slim design fits perfectly in small spaces while adding a modern, minimalist look. Functional and stylish, link in the description. Next up is the Vtopmart bathroom storage organizer. It helps you neatly organize toiletries, makeup, and daily essentials, making everything easy to find. The clear, compartment-style design keeps your bathroom looking clean and clutter-free. Perfect for cabinets or countertops. Next is the Lifewit double laundry hamper. It features 2 separate compartments, making it easy to sort lights and darks right away. The lightweight design with sturdy handles makes laundry day more organized and less stressful. A simple upgrade for any home, link in the description. Next up is the STWWO wall towel rack. It mounts easily on the wall to save space, while keeping towels neatly organized and within reach. Perfect for bathrooms or laundry rooms, it adds a clean, modern look to your space. Practical and stylish. Next is the OLANLY Chenille bath rug. It's super soft under your feet and highly absorbent, helping keep your bathroom floor dry. The plush chenille material adds comfort and a cozy, spa-like feel to your bathroom. Affordable comfort upgrade, link in the description. Next up is the USHOWER LED Vanity mirror. This mirror features built-in LED lighting, making it perfect for flawless makeup, shaving, or skincare routines. It adds a modern, luxurious touch to any bathroom and is bright, clear, and easy to use. A stylish and practical upgrade. Next is the Adesso candle warmer lamp. It safely melts candles, fills your room with cozy fragrance, and adds a stylish touch. Link in the description. Finally, we have the LEVOIT Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. It adds moisture to the air, helping with dry skin, allergies, and better sleep. The top fill design makes it easy to refill and clean, and it runs quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. A simple, affordable way to improve your home's comfort. Don't forget to like, comment, And subscribe for more smart home picks, link in the description.